dare to look into the future. A future that is beyond expectations. A future shaped by ambience. Ambience, a company that thinks far ahead of today, that stretches the limits of possibility, touches our innermost desires. Begun in 1986 with the visionary zeal of Raj Singh Gehlot, a man who has persistently looked ahead of his times, Ambience has marked a phenomenal growth trajectory. In the course of 2 decades, Ambience has built a 100 billion rupee company and transformed the very definition of living in style and comfort. Beginning with the pioneering concept of ready-to-live-in condominiums, Ambience has gone on to fashion a complete lifestyle, from premium fully integrated township to 7-star super luxury condominiums. Making work a seamless, effortless experience is the key feature in Ambience's commercial spaces, fitted with the most modern utilities and designed to suit high-profile international tastes. Ambience has completely changed the landscape of the retail business, with the sheer size and choice of shopping on the one hand and the experience of exclusivity on the other. Serving the most demanding with style and perfection, creating an oasis of comfort where every need is taken care of, Ambience sets the highest standards in hospitality. Ambience fulfills the thirst for excellence, helps mold the global leaders of the future with a choice of international standard professional courses in diverse fields. The vision, the promise to make real a life as close to perfection as can be, right here, right within our reach. That is the future for Ambience. And with that vision, we continue to grow, developing ultra-luxury residential properties, state-of-the-art commercial areas, high-tech special economic zones, and IT parks across India. Ambience, we dare to dream big and to turn it into reality.